In a world forgotten by time, a monumental task is about to begin. She's not just seeking shelter, she's awakening an ancient, hidden knowledge. Using only the earth, water, and her bare hands. But what she intends to build here will test the very limits of ingenuity. The first stone is laid, marking the start of an incredible transformation. The stream offers its secrets, providing the essential materials for her vision. Each stone is chosen with care, a single piece of a larger, unfolding design. With her plan taking shape, she ventures beyond the cave's familiar embrace. The forest provides, offering fibers and sustenance for the demanding work ahead. The earth itself becomes the mortar, the binding agent of her creation. The secluded sanctuary, carved by nature, will soon bear witness to human will. Here, amidst the moss and stone, a new existence will take root. In moments of quiet contemplation, the sheer scale of the challenge becomes clear. With renewed focus, she melds stone and clay, breathing life into her structure. A brief pause, acknowledging the progress made against the wilderness. The final touches are applied with precision, smoothing the rough edges into a finished form. A sense of accomplishment washes over her as she surveys the work. This humble structure is more than a shelter, it is a statement of resilience. An elemental forge, born from the landscape, now stands ready. As the day ends, the fading light paints a masterpiece of color and shadow. The next phase begins. A more ambitious undertaking requires a stronger foundation. Beneath a colossal rock overhang, she begins to build a true home. The walls rise slowly, a testament to patience and persistence. She carves an opening, a window to the wild world outside. The structure stands, a fortress of stone and earth against the elements. Now, she must tame the forest's timber, crafting it to suit her needs. The raw materials are prepared, ready to be integrated into the design. Each piece is measured and cut with an artisan's precision. A framework for the roof emerges, a skeleton of bamboo reaching for the sky. Every component must align perfectly to ensure the structure's integrity. The meticulous work of crafting and shaping continues. The first panel of the roof is carefully guided into place. Slowly, a protective canopy forms over the stone walls. The vision is nearly complete, a seamless blend of nature and human craft. The final layers are added, completing the intricate lattice of the roof. Even the entrance is crafted from the forest's gifts, a door of woven bamboo. The walls are sealed, protecting the interior from wind and rain. The rooftop becomes a tapestry of wood, meticulously woven together. Inside, she creates a place of rest, a bed of fragrant leaves. Her work is done. A sanctuary, built from nothing but determination, is complete. But creation does not stop here. A new, more delicate project begins. The ground itself is sculpted, preparing a new foundation within the cave. Around her miniature marvel, she clears the debris, perfecting the space. Every stone has its place in this intricate mosaic of natural materials. Nearby, she constructs a hearth, preparing to bring the gift of fire. Her home becomes a workshop, a hub of constant, creative activity. The floor is smoothed, creating a clean and ordered living space. The first embers are introduced, promising warmth and light in the darkness. The fire grows, a beating heart in her stone-walled haven. The area is cleared, a ritual of safety and respect for the flame's power. Having mastered shelter, she must now master sustenance. In the heart of the forest, she breaks ground for a different kind of structure. This hole is not a foundation, but a carefully measured design. From above, the purpose of her excavation begins to reveal itself. With unwavering effort, she delves deeper into the earth. The final shape is formed, a cavity of strategic depth and dimension. The preparation is complete. Now, she must craft the trap's lethal core. The jungle's bounty offers more than food. It offers the tools for the hunt. Returning to the pit, she is ready to arm her creation. A hidden danger begins to take shape at the bottom of the pit. Dozens of sharpened stakes are driven into the ground, a silent threat. The floor becomes a field of unforgiving spikes, waiting in the shadows. The trap must be hidden, disguised as a natural part of the forest floor. A delicate framework is laid across the top, strong enough to support the camouflage. Layer by layer, she erases any sign of her work, using leaves and forest debris. The illusion is complete. The ground looks untouched, betraying nothing of the danger below. To survive here, she must think beyond the ground. She must look to the trees. She ascends into the canopy, seeking a new vantage point. High above the forest floor, she harvests materials for her next build. Each branch is selected for its strength and utility. An elevated platform begins to form, a sanctuary among the leaves. The structure is lashed together, becoming a sturdy perch in the heights. From her watchtower, she can observe the surrounding territory. This is not just a shelter, it is a position of strategic advantage. The silence of the high canopy offers a profound sense of peace. With her perch complete, she returns to the forest floor. One final survey of her work before pressing onward. Her journey continues, driven by an unyielding purpose. The gentle murmur of the stream is a constant companion in this solitary world. The lush, vibrant jungle is both a provider and a formidable adversary. The rhythmic sound of a saw breaks the stillness, a sign of industry. She begins her most complex construction yet, a home in the sky. High in the treetops, she carves and shapes the main supports. Each piece of timber is laboriously carried up into the canopy. The floor of the treehouse is laid, a stable platform amidst the branches. With an axe, she masterfully notches the wood for a perfect fit. The structure is secured, ensuring its strength against the elements. A moment of rest, taking in the breathtaking view her hard work has afforded. The finished frame stands as a marvel of primitive engineering. Nestled in the trees, her creation seems almost a natural part of the forest. The next task is to create a roof, gathering the broad leaves of the jungle. The leaves are woven into the frame, forming a waterproof thatch. Walls of branches and leaves provide shelter and camouflage. She meticulously inspects every joint and seam, ensuring its durability. The treehouse is complete, a tranquil retreat from the world below. It is a testament to what can be achieved with knowledge, skill, and sheer will. She sits in her finished home, a sovereign in her green kingdom. The leafy roof is a mosaic of nature's design. The final view is one of perfect harmony between the built and the natural. From her treetop home, she gazes out at her domain. The structure is both rustic and elegant, a testament to her craftsmanship. A sturdy ladder connects her sanctuary to the world below. There is always more to be done, another refinement to be made. The stream below provides a constant source of life. The walls have been reinforced, the structure made even more secure. A sense of pride in a monumental job well done. Fine-tuning the details ensures long-term survival. More materials are needed, and the forest always provides. The completed treehouse, a masterpiece of survival architecture. But shelter is only one piece of the puzzle. Now, the hunt must be refined. She begins crafting a new kind of trap, one that requires precision and ingenuity. This design is more complex, relying on mechanics rather than a simple pit. A trigger mechanism is carefully assembled from twigs and vines. The framework is reinforced, built to withstand a struggle. She continues the intricate process of assembling the trap's components. The trap's inner workings are a delicate balance of tension and release. Her focus is absolute as she constructs the final parts of the mechanism. Now, she must build the trap itself, a cage of woven branches. The final trap is set, a cage suspended and ready to fall. Patience is the final ingredient. She waits for the forest to yield its prize. An unsuspecting creature approaches, drawn by curiosity. The trigger is sprung. The trap is a success. Securely captured, the rabbit is a vital source of sustenance. She approaches her prize, the reward for her skill and patience. The system she has built is effective, a provider in the wilderness. The powerful cage has held, proving the quality of her construction. A close inspection reveals the trap worked exactly as designed. But this capture is not for a meal, it's for something more. She gently removes the animal, her intent not to harm, but to nurture. She is not just a hunter, she is becoming a steward of this land. The rabbit is placed in a specially prepared enclosure, safe and secure. Here, she is building a sustainable future, a farm in the wild. The small creature settles into its new home, a sign of life and hope. This is the ultimate achievement, not just to survive, but to cultivate life. As night begins to fall, the cycle of work continues. She patrols her territory, a guardian of the world she has built. The jungle is dense and unforgiving, but she navigates it with confidence. Each step is taken with purpose, her senses alive to the sounds of the forest. She moves with a quiet grace, now a part of this wild landscape. By the dim light of the moon, she checks on her enclosures. The night's work is careful and quiet, tending to her nascent farm. She moves another structure into place, expanding her domain. A new animal is introduced to the enclosure, a companion for the first. Under a protective canopy of leaves, her small ecosystem begins to flourish. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Huang Survival for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.